Hey guys, we're gonna give you a tour of the place that we're staying right now in Zambales, right on the beach. It's a resort that is about 4,000 pesos per night, so that translates to about $80 US. Directly on the beach here. It has a couple islands back there that they offer island hopping for. We did that. It was awesome. But otherwise, this place is pretty nice. They have two pools, one located right here and another located right here. We got the beachfront room, which is located right here, and you can see the direct ocean view here. One thing I really regret is not bringing my skimboard because the waves are actually pretty nice. We'll take a walk down to the beach in just a sec to show you the sand quality and also the little waves, but it's just a really fantastic view here. And again, you can see the front where we are actually staying with our window looking out over the ocean. One thing about this place is, you know, they aren't actually allowing you to bring outside food in, so you have to get all your food here. The Wi-Fi quality isn't very good. We don't actually have Wi-Fi in our room, which is a huge thumbs down for a place that's $4,000 per night, or 4,000 pesos per night. But the food quality is pretty good. It is a little expensive, especially in the Philippines. It would be considered extremely overpriced anywhere else in the country. But you know, I've been also just getting my work done over in this area. So I'll set up my laptop on the tables in here or in the cafeteria. Interesting thing is that we're literally the only people here. So it's like our own private resort, which is really cool. They actually just told us that they opened up very recently. They've been closed for 2 years due to COVID. And so there's really just no one here. And we, once again, for the second time, found a resort where we're basically the only people in the Philippines that are visiting. So yeah, it's a good experience. I'd say it's a little overpriced. It's not super fancy or anything, but it's good. Amazing location right on the beach, and really enjoying the beach. So let's actually walk down to the beach and take a look at the sand quality and the waves. Sand is super hot right now, so going in barefooted style, it's going to be painful until we get down to the wet sand. So I think I'm just going to start running. But it has really nice fine sand here. It's kind of a grayish color. It's not like the super nice white sand beach, but it is really nice. Like, it's still nice soft sand, and the water is fantastic, extremely warm, really clean water as well. So there's no trash. It's this kind of a steep, very steep type beach. Apparently, different times of year you get some really good waves here. So there is surfing along this beach. I really wish I had my skimboard here, because right now the waves have been pretty good, especially in the morning, that just when the tide is right, that you can really get some good skimboarding waves. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my skimboard. It's in Cebu still, but yeah, what's not to like here? It's really fantastic. You can see the islands where we actually went to the islands yesterday. We also went over here to Anawangan Cove. It was we paid about 2,000 pesos for the both of us to go island hopping and go to Anawangan Cove. It was kind of like a full day thing. That translates to around $40, so pretty good deal for a private island hopping tour for the two of us. So that was fun, and of course I got hit by the sun really bad. But anyway, we're enjoying the place here. It's called Capones Vista Beach Resort in Zambales, and we're going to be looking around this area for a house to purchase. We actually stopped by a couple different places where they posted that they had lots and houses for sale. We met some other Americans there who were selling property and land, although we weren't interested in the particular things that they had to offer. We're gonna keep looking for a house to buy, and hopefully we can find something in this area, because this beach is fantastic. Anyway, that's the place for around $80 a night, and you know, it's worth it when you have such a peaceful place where especially because we're the only people here. So
yeah, so it will be worth it. 4,000 is so worth it.
It is overpriced for the Philippines, but it's still definitely worth it.
Yep.
Anyway, that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.